people think with them things. You don't know how them get it. I don't know I just red feet. And that's some mankind stay. All I wanna come around, all I wanna come at me in my district because of red eye. You see me look car, you see me name a call up on TikTok, and just red eye. I cheer me a safety me can buy one car. Cause I tell myself my first money when I hustle for ya, me not spend it by the car, cause me not go back around zero. I forced. People have to force me. Cause to all my paranoid in a sufferation, people have to force me. But I can't know I'm not ready yet. But I'm not ready yet. You know, I read. Anytime I see me on the ranking board, anytime I see me on the ranking board, I'm a pass on, I get red. When I talk all type of story, I want shooter over there. Them a clean card. Them have enablers. Them have this. You know, I read. You know, I read. Red eye. You never thought that. Me hear you come this man, I come talk about, oh, she said she turn on my own. You want DNA. Drakes don't do no DNA. Cause me I tell it publicly. And you say me say it already, me I tell it publicly. None of them are you, no do no DNA. We don't want nothing from you. Me I hold my responsibility from them born till now. Father God will help me through. Me don't want nothing from you. Me don't want nothing from you. You don't have to do shit. You don't have to bother do the DNA. None of them are your own. Keep your money. Keep your money. You don't have to do no DNA. You don't have to give them anything more. You don't have to do a DNA. Don't do none, please. Don't give them nothing more. Because you rank every day. And you don't take up fatherly duties. You only do to brag. Like you want one gold medal. I mean, I go do this because the year are done. And coming New Year, me I left on that year. So it's when the year done and Christmas coming, I'm supposed to finish it up with the report for left on that area. Me don't want to argue with it. It's a constant argument. Say I look loud hard. You have moved on and I have moved on. Whoever I want to be with is not your problem. So you don't have to come on the internet and should have said that I pick them on a marijuana more and DNA. No make nobody choose to have to do DNA, Papa, because you not give them shit anyway. So just save your DNA money and go buy where you normally buy. A throat for a mouth, a pussy for suck out, and a hole for dig out. You can't swallow and drink. Save your money, Papa. We don't want nothing from you. I been a do it. From them band, I been a do it. I been a do it. I been a do it from them band. I know Shancha 10 to 11. I know Barbara 7 to 8. And a few little months you get to do it, you can't. You can't. You're failing already. The few little months that I get to do it, you are already failing. It's a failure to the one who is in the yearns. Because me could have never come on social media and say, she said they pick them on my own. Which one of them on your own? Because Chantal look exactly like you. Barbara, you have a Farid. Barbara have some of my features. Them definitely look like you. Which one of them don't look like you? All you want to all you're desperate for your attention and money. You're a jackass. You care nothing about your kids. You're a cruff. Use a stagnant dirt water that sits right there and sour. If you don't remove it. You sit and you look cloud after your own and picnic them. You're a worthless man. Because Let me tell you why, as I have said that 7.3K people. Jake's rank every day. And if Jake's give them lunch money last week, this week come him now give them. Tell them that I have the money. They rank every day. You smoke every day, you drink every day. They look a cockroach, they look a fly bat a cockroach, girl where you there with. When she fuck, she have to tell her you want. You like, so man come and woman come. And when she fuck, she have to tell her who she fuck. And you fuck her, she tell her who she fuck. So when they done, they can suck out all of that. And she have a tail behind her like a tail. At night time, I draw in a corner. Because you don't have the bed, you know. So you draw all the way in a corner. And she may see you have a tail. So she work money for give for buy fuck. Because I can never give my kids them lunch money this week. And then I got to go on to your father now. My duty me give every day. When you give your pitness up, you don't watch what the other parent is giving. You don't watch what the other parent is giving. Long as the people come to us and they want lunch money, hours I forgive them. Monday morning at school, they rank for the whole week. Make sure by Saturday you get some money. When Monday morning come, you're supposed to have it, can give them. You don't care about your kids. Make sure when Monday morning come, me have it, can give them. Now watch what the mama do. And then uno say me bad mind uno. Now watch what the mama do and don't watch what the mama have. When Monday morning come, me supposed to have my picnic lunch money ready to give them. And I'm uno not tell him that. That's why the enablers them don't like you, because them say it's a cruff. It's fuck you use the money and buy and suck. I mean, you're not gonna do this anymore. I mean, I tell figure it out and Diamond Hakim don't answer. You don't even have a bed. You don't have a bed. They don't need to answer you because you don't have a bed. You never say, come say, hungry, ugly man. Them not for answer because you're not upon the levels. There's levels to things. And them for hear you attack and don't answer you. Because you don't have no bed. You don't own two good suit of clothes. You come argue me every time and the clothes when I buy you a machine, you still have them. You do your wardrobe don't change up to now, you know. You ever want to argue with people, but I'm not going to argue with you. I'm going to tell you the truth. You don't have to do a DNA, sir. None of them does not belongs to you. You don't mind Pitney is a sperm donor. We are living, we can do fine without you. The little girl said she want popcorn and want sauce coat. The girl said she want popcorn and want snow cone machine. You're sure about that, no, she can't get it for use. So what was the ideal? To come on social media for a gold medal? Everything no one come on the media. Nobody really cares about us, you know. What they done? Nobody really cares about us. 95% of them don't even care if they even want job done. Some of them want to have dollar on the come for selling for hear the business for laugh. And turn in a one big piece of mockery. The gifters them don't care either. Them have them stress too. Them want to come for going to one act match for shoot. For enjoy themselves. For say blood come go to take nuggets and I get to take them. Nobody don't really care. So I want to come with them long burden from when them just start grinding to when them soon dead. Nobody don't really care. Go seek God. You think that social media is a church? Go seek God. When I read. But I don't. Which one of them is not for me? None of them is not for you. You don't mind Pitney. You don't mind Pitney. You mind Pitney? Is our sperm done? You don't mind Pitney? You don't mind Pitney. You don't mind Pitney. You have moved on and I have moved on. Me, I wonder what the woman we got sent loose so don't say how obsessed you are over me. I want to ask her. If the lady that you went to St. Lucia don't see the obsession you have over me, it's an obsession deeply. You're obsessed over me till you look bad. Till they start to attack the people them out. The people them on my party, they start to attack them. Because you want me to see you. Because him see it, you know. Him talk about my couple well. Him talk about my couple well at times. Him talk about my couple well at times and I don't answer him. Him come up with the mastermind. Him don't take him light, you know. I say it's like internal bleeding. If you don't rush got operation soon, you know, you might be unalive. Him realize when them throw the jobs at me from the other day, come and tell me sister, I not use him, you know. So him realize when them throw the tantrum at me not use him. So him come out now, I throw the tantrum at whom I par with. Because if you got to somebody, people want me par with, them are going to feel away. Me are going to feel away too. Everybody have feelings. So somebody going to come out, come talk. You know exactly what you are doing. I want to go play the ball game here. Jake's going to look alive. Me done with you. It's been how much months? September, October, November, December. It's been 4 months now. I'm over you. Me done with you. Go look alive. You only tell people say you move on, but you don't move on. Avoid my name. Avoid my circle. Why can't you avoid my name, avoid my circle? Because if me don't want a person, you know, me avoid them name and me avoid them circle. You can't. Every one of them there chop me each up there. Every one of them there chop me each up right there. What do you somebody say? Somebody say blood clot. The madman for the app. Mad Max, the madman over here. Maybe the dog. The power screen card with him. I hear the madman will be the dog, no? Akeem stomach must strong. Akeem stomach strong for stomach, Rosealee. And she, Jake's laugh. I say, what Jake say can't laugh over me? Just put piss all in your mouth. Me a piss all in your fucking mouth. Avoid me, please. Come on, want to get over here. Me piss all in your mouth. I want to say these things. People feel say that joking thing with the pan. Me piss all in your mouth. Use nobody. Rest me and relax. Come on, I always do this. Because I get tired to me, I get boring. I'm gonna like a bone will make you. I'm gonna try to make ends meet with them. I try for men. When I come out to drinks, I want to follow God. Insert 1 8 serum in night for you. Yeah. Because you like people. You like to provoke. Remember, I'm there for 12 years. You know you stay there, you don't stop. You will never stop. You like to provoke, and you like to hide, and you like to sit down and pay a pity party and then throw stone and draw it and like you're innocent. Me ain't not gonna do this. None of the kids them does not belong, so you don't give them $1 more. You not give them anything anyway. Up here fuck you buy with your own. Unfortunately. Peer grind. So nobody give them nothing more. Because I never need you back then. I'm still know I'm not going to need you now. Because I'm smarter than you. Because I read. Success don't come overnight. Me have times when I sit there here and I play a match with people and I get nothing. And not so bad mind and jealousy and envy come in. Me have times when I used to click my life and I click my life and sit on my life and click it. But don't get nothing. The first man who sent me a lion on TikTok was Spinners. I never forget the night. The first man, the first individual that sent me a lion on this app was Spinners. That a road dog, long time shooter. You know how him send me it? One night we in a 4-way. And everybody I get and me not get. I'm so I'm a good man. Everybody I get. My score was 400 and something. Everybody I get. I'm not get. I'm still on my house here, I'm on my life. And I look and I look and just I look. I'm so I'm say nothing. Him say you good, me say yeah. No do me. Him say you sure, me say yeah. Him say don't worry yourself. Spinners. And at night them send me 3 lion universe and about 4 blood clot wheel. Success don't come overnight. I 3 years me dey on social media. Anywhere me there, me work for it. Anywhere I time me dey pay, me work for it. Me sit down and I put in my time. Me sit down and I put my time, my hours, my effort, my strength, everything in this to build something. You know, build overnight. So I don't know why some of the red eye people want to see. I want to see people on the road and analyze them for them things. Because everything we do take time and effort and consistency. And every day, every day you got a market, your basket going full. You have days when the basket going have nothing into it. You take longer this trip for broke your ducks more than the ordinary. You can't. You wake up and you got a market, and you're there from 8 o'clock, and at 10 o'clock. Sometimes you go there, you got a market from 8 o'clock. When I look, you don't stop sell. And then when you look, you there market from 7, 8 parts in a sell $1, 9 parts in a sell $1, 10 o'clock come in a sell $1, and you not sell nothing. I saw it go. And they don't understand. And that's what I said, them on a red eye. And when them red eye, Father God take with them blessing. You know I said, church, I'm gonna be honest. Cause them 95% of them not like, but me not give 2 blood clot fuck. Me gonna be honest. That's why them not like me, but me not give 2 fuck. You know I said Jakes are do well. Jakes are the better. Jakes are do much more than when me. I wanna say it in our tone. How Jakes is doing now, I want to pick the word. How Jakes is doing now, from where I started from, he's doing pretty well. Them I just read. How him I do now, from where I started from, him I do amazing. Them I just read. Listen, Father God. Hold it, girl. Me said, me just hold it. I just read. Trust me, youth. Me sorry the day I meet you. To all me up on social media now, him do pretty good from how me start out. Cause I start off at $50. And every day I come here, I say, see, I go click my live, you know. Because I get even $50 what a gift. I'm satisfied. I start off at $50. Till I start get $100 what a gift. Till I start get $200 what a gift. Till I start get $300 what a gift. You do pretty well. You're still red eye and bad mind people. Oh, them are clean chord and oh, you're doing pretty well. Italian where they are long enough now do it like you. Your eye red. When you just see people, your eye, you just see people with them things and want to have it. You're doing pretty well. You're doing pretty well. But you're red eye, you're bad mind. And when you're red eye, you're bad mind, you come out and you go on, you behave the most way and go like say people like you that. None of people can see your red eye and your bad mind. And apart from all your red eye and your body, you're very obsessed. Me know why you're Jakes. Because me now go back to you. Not this lifetime nor the next. And I don't care who you want to affiliate yourself with. Because I know they're whores. None of them don't make sense with you. I beg arrest my blood clot name. Arrest the people them name where you are. All say me not first name because I tell people them don't answer you. Not tell them don't answer you because you want to go bed and brush your teeth. Tell them don't answer you. Dime I figured I keep no look on Jakes. Jakes don't even have a bed. Because I had to run down the TikTok money, you can't cash it off. And your eye just red. A 2 times since me them come borrow my money, I'm lending it. And him look at me and tell me say me bad mind. 2 times him come borrow my money since me and him fall out. And him they are class and I gonna go like him want come get right and disrespect. Him come borrow my money, I'm let him. Me just tell myself, say, me don't really want to eat them, you know. So I try to make bygones be bygones. I don't want to eat them. Because I tell you why I don't want to eat them trot. I may wrap it up because soon work time. I wrap it up because work me come. You all of them are evil. Down to my little sister. And she did the other day, I dip in pocket and I say, eh. And then the next one day, yesterday, she asked me, I tell her no. I don't want to use them mama fat and fry them, you know. I swear to God. I just want to just come. I don't want to use them mama fat and fry them for them there. I want something, I have it, I don't give them. Sometimes my conscience beat me, and that's the truth. My conscience beat me. They gonna have a conscience who are gonna beat me. And your conscience gonna tell her, say, just give her for the pitney. But them is evil. All of them. All of them is evil. Even the one of the baby is evil because the whole of the day before she eat up over where Jake's there. So I know she evil. I'm a son and have no loyalty, you know, no never real from day one. I'm still try to share with them. You know, so me give my mother my money. Miss give her my money, you know. I sit here, me give her my money. All the time. But you wanna come here and sit and lie. Oh, you not get the money, who get money for God doctor? Me get money for God doctor. You come to me and tell me say you're hungry, me give you. You wear my things, you drink, my things, you use, my things, you do all man have evil, I'm leave you. And you still come be a dagger to my soul. Every time you come over here, you trigger me off. You want to behave like say me hate you. You want to behave like say you're innocent. You want to behave as if you're not doing nothing at all. And me go get the end of the truth and the city because your name mother me a pitney. And that is very sad. So I don't get no right to voice my opinion and I don't get to talk how I feel. Because me not have enough feelings. Yeah. Yes, lovely. Now I always give them my things. Yeah. She's same one. The little boy that one baby I'm old when I'm born. And in birthday, I come and buy a truck. I look a play a child truck, it's not cheap. When the man tell me how much feet I want to walk where just come in and want to look like scumming and I just buy it and come out. I never know so one truck with a deer so. I have 50,000 life for the truck, you know. It dear. Of course, me give them things. If the baby come here and want some, of course, I take money and give her. I give to her. Why not? I know them bitches still, you know. Them are my family, I know them. I know what them I do. I want to talk. People are going like, oh, you eat them and you don't want. My mama know, no. I grow with no, observe, no. I'm only on no problem. I don't want me for mine, no. And when I take my TikTok money and I fix here for own to live in paradise, what me gonna offer myself when I'm all and I shit up? That is the key question I want to ask them, especially my mama when she come live. When Rosealee take her TikTok money and fix up where you live, and mine you. What she give her youth them, what she have, and what she do for herself. When she all and agree, like 50, 60 and all and a shit up, what is her retirement goal for the hard work what she put in on the app? Because you have to put in hard work on this blood clot yeah, for see $110. It no come easy as some of them think, you know. The only reason why Drake's get to it, Drake's a man enough gift that we're looking for fuck. And the only reason why him get to it. And he not even know that. Only reason why him get to it. Actually, my man. And most gifters were looking for fuck. And the only reason why him get a getaway. But it's not easy if you put in your work. When I talk about use them charming, woman will see him and like him. Woman will hear the story. People, He will draw the crowd with the situation and people will see him out of the crowd and want like him for fuck and give him. No, I'm not funny, you know. I'm not funny. Him not intellectual. Him just give a demon possess look and feeling. Him not funny. So we know when people gift them a car, some woman see him and like him. Can you have woman over here who see man and like them and gift them, you know? Can them a look man, you know? We know them there a long time they here. But they a long time from able days, world dog. They a long time there. Someone me know the script. That's what I say. Ah, when me not recognize him, him have him shoot over him, have him shoot and then we come shoot him. For him, we are look man. It's not about recognition, you have to understand. It's not about recognition. You can draw a crowd of 10,000 people. I only one will like you give you. Una miss out that concept. And stop type as if I'm stupid. You draw a crowd of 10,000 people. Only the ones in the crowd that likes you will give you. Crowd no mean shit. I know exactly what I'm talking about. You gotta have over there where look man. Man them a look. What we give him. You can't draw a crowd of 20,000 people. Somebody will like you. I gonna give you. So I know exactly what me I talk about. Me not just come on TikTok. Me not just come on social media. Me know how to work. So I know how to run. So him I gonna always have people over there who gonna give him regardless. Cause them a look somebody. Okay. Yeah. Cause my people them can't go over there. My people them can't go over there. Them attack and don't send $1. Him gonna have people them over there will see him and like him. You know some like Jackson not ugly him can par with. And give him. It happen to everybody par ya. Don't think I'm stupid. Sometimes you see what sometimes some of the boy them over here. Because the people them like him. The person that them particular person that like them person they need. A long time they put over here. Not for the boat, not for the top rank of them boy one gift that them have. Most of them have one gift that we like them. We are look man. A long time they boy here. We have whole past story me can line and chinks them off and know so I said go. And tell it how it go. And tell it how it operates. I know this. And one big gift them have and she name was Shirley or Cheryl. And Cheryl only go over there got done top over there. She won. We send lion, tigers, and bear drop him 200 or 300K. But you do it like every week. Jaden have one too. What the one name but Jaden have a long time. I know she in a Shelly. Back in the days when me and him was that close. I one big gift time there and a Shelly. And she alone come and drop a lion. Drop a 200 or 300K upon him. Just randomly. Like every other week. Yes, she come and just don't up the whole place in a year again. So I know exactly what I'm talking about. Don't watch the numbers and everybody giving the numbers. Some of them only forgot to come look, listen and type and get a brawl. Or only a real person that like you for your authentic way and your behavior will always support you. And trust me, people literally like who they like. Me not fight pan that and me not break down pan that. However, the people them over here will hate me. Can't stop calling police on me yard. I'm getting kind of tired and I'm getting kind of draining because I don't know you all. I don't know you all. Me's a woman. And if every 24 hour or every 72 hour you can call police by me, I soon go in the penitentiary. Because when you not stop call police, why? Like every click of the clock when you call the cops. Me not threatening me, not engaging to uno time or to nobody, to myself. Everybody have family issues. Every minute you call the cops. Something is wrong with you, no? What is wrong with you, no? What is wrong with you, no? Something is wrong with you, no? Every minute you call police. Every minute. I'm sick, I'm tired of it. And trust me, he said me never plan to move all of my life. I have made my decision. I want to live at peace. I want a peace of mind, and here's not it. So all I want to like itch up in the back. Oh, she not leave. Have to. It's a must. I want to leave like now. I'm tired. Every minute I call police. Every minute I'm in a target practice. I can't live in peace. What me do? Come here, come run. Come here, come run. 2 drugs, run 2. Look at this, run 2. Look at that. I want to text it, Pam. I'm tell you no what burn, no hate me for that. Because all of y'all that hate me on this. Whether rankers or some girl where I look some highlight. Because you mess with me, I'm going to tell you no deeds. I'm know me hit a nerve. Because when me I come for the nerve, I go deep in it. So I'm going to tell you something, 2 words and it's sharp. I'm not going to go down in a dictionary in that Bible verse when me I come for 2 girl. 2 words. I'm going to know it lick some part on the nerve. If I'm telling you 2 words and I can't stop texting, because it's born, one man, they tell me that one time, Yeah. Yeah, she be the talking. She be this. Rosealee said something to me I never forget. And that's why I'm not going to stop. Me say me know me it lick a nerve, man. Yeah, 2 words. Because I not go down in that too much words. 2 words. Because I don't need to dig for nothing. All of you want to dig up people past, present, to say something about them. Not me, Rosealee. I can look at you and identify the piece of shit you be. Because some of you are some piece of shit that have no moral, no class, and not living. Because if I hate someone, why would I want to sit and watch them talk? Why I want to sit and hear stuff about them? If I don't like them, I don't want to hear your name. I don't want to hear mention. I don't go up on your avenue, I don't walk in a lane. And I know Jake alone obsessed over me. No for one girl on social media obsess over me. It's an obsession. I don't never stop. I want me to use no name. It's an obsession. No very obsessed. It's like obsessed. Maybe not live. Well, sometimes I tell myself say I'm not even that important, but I see where I am. No, sometimes I look at myself and say, so I'm not really that important. I'm not going like me is that girl and never come, I'm not really that in. Me do me here with the look bob and it catch the for you and the people that run with it, me dear. I say, Jesus Christ. Sometimes I tell myself I'm not that even important, but I see why I'm very much important. And then when you walk with important people, you have to know so you're going to get important as well. Because only when a poor person is important, they talk about them. So when you walk with very important people, always, you're going to automatically get important. Whether it is praises or beating. And I'm very important. Because I pass one life since they were 2. Somebody I play. 2 somebody I play a match, with somebody in the box that chat about me. I say with the blood clot this. Then you go to on a live I play a match. You go to on a live I play a match. With somebody and have somebody in the back of that about somebody. That makes sense? I can see where I'm very important. I'm going to take that for myself. Give yourself that, Rosealee. I'm that girl. I'm very important. Yes. I am me. Me keep on tell myself I'm not really that girl, but you keep on push me to the live and say, yes, I am. I'm that important. I do all I know. Every day. You never talk about themselves, Me. Rosealee this and Rosealee that and Rosealee this and Rosealee and her mother and Rosealee and her baby father and Rosealee and her kids and Rosealee and her new man and Rosealee and her car and Rosealee and coins and Rosealee and her friends and pure Rosealee for days. To pussy clot. Pure Rosealee for days to blood clot. Every rascal out there. As I take up every time you take up the fucking phone here. Rosealee! Pumbo clot. And Rosealee this. One of the platform attack some shit. And someone literally wants me to care. I don't. Come in a company TikTok to I come on TikTok to the people that will really like me. Also, if one up on the board, I don't really come to. I don't come on TikTok to someone who know. Because some other wonder how me do it. But I'm telling me, I wonder how me blood clot do it too. I put in the work, you know. Twiggy warmer, I put in the work. I put all of them are people that will come here so. Like Slim Chick, Zan, Cher, Pretty Baby, Lamont, Tago 6, Ricardo. I work me come. I put in my work here, you know. I work me come. I want not show my real and come again. I'm not going to do that in the box. I go over some of my life when them a chat me. Wait till Jakes come on. My mother come this man and create one tantrum. Go on over there. Alright, my mother come this man and create one tantrum. Go on over there. Because all I seem to say to the lady this morning, the people them call the CPS people them can't call the CPS for me because me not a big live in my yard. The man came to her and I simply said to her that this is what life do. And we had a brawl. This is what life do. That's what life do and she ready for God trace me. I mean, I hold an argument with her, you know. Literally, I mean, I hold an argument with her. Because them depend some Cub Scout mascot thing. I'm going to say this again for the last time because I'm going to start my work. I look at the work, me literally come. I'm going to say to the haters where I watch, the jealous people, them. My final word about that woman is, it's not that I don't want her on social media. Nobody can come on social media. I want to say my father up. Sometimes my father will let in all type of people in the gateway. You wouldn't like see your family member being used. And you know what I don't like about one of the haters? One never come and speak truth, right, and facts yet. Not because you hate a person, you cannot identify what is the truth, right, and facts. If you all was understand what I'm saying, you know all would I get it. Stop worrying about the messenger and listen to the message. It's not that I don't want her on social media. Me I run from when she start to clown out herself and then post her up, the comment section will be nasty. And them start already. So who the fuck cares? And that's what Uno wants to see for sit and laugh at her. Because I know social media was very nasty, you know. And that me I run from. And she can't read and she will never see it. And people that associate with me will say, them can't class here, mama. I'm not going to feel some type of way because I feel it. I'm not going to see it. Because I see them start to rub already, Bellevue, patient, models. And I say, watch here. Then Lavern really wear our Sunday frock company live. And I know the people them get down and dirty and nasty. You understand what I'm saying? When I talk, I know what exactly I'm talking about. You know that all you don't want on social media, that's not it. They're going to drag you, class, and bring you down, post you up. I have seen a screen card where she long out her tongue. Them all identifying her mouth. Cause the teeth not straight in her mouth properly. And she gonna put on the fake braces and can't take it off. And then the teeth in the mouth. And then when you start on a drug on a class. And who are using her tell her that. You can't come on social media and click your live, of course. Respectable like your age. Well, I never said that. Stop listening to the messenger. Listen to the message. Nothing is wrong with the come on social media. You act respectable and be a age. Me see that screen record here, I tell you say, Lord God. Me say me shame like a dog. Wait there. Let me go up on my status and find it. This one. This one, I tell you say, when them start. Let me show it again, see there? That one, yeah. None of them where you shut off in a box and run off them blood clot mode. Now clown out them mama so. But them want to do it to minds. And if I never care about you, I wouldn't. If I never cared about you, it wouldn't hurt me. And none of y'all don't see that. None of y'all don't. They don't see that, you know. Oh, she want to beat off her mama and she want to fight off her mama. None of them not care about you like you won. You over there so lying out your tongue. The screen card show the people start to, oh, your tongue white, you're this, you're that, you're terror, you act like you're mad, you and so on and so on and so on. And there are about 300 people, they were laughing. Some people that I want to hear for the comments. None of them will hear a chat off them out. Don't want to see them mama or behave them type of way there. And that not look good to nobody. Of course, you can't click your life at your age. You have all up a big pitney. Be a role model to something. You think I'm stupid? Oh, I should have laid the table. Let me lay it out now. And I argue with her. Come and need to argue with her. Be a role model to something at your age. You sit down over here make some girl like you prep talk. Sing what you can do, what you can't do. Like he's a clown. A prep talk them again, you're a big woman. 4 years from now, you're 50. Come out. Out. Big woman like you are sitting on a portrait like he's a mad dog running wild. Because you ready that you want a child? To sit and clown at herself? Nobody would want them mother. 4 years from now, you have to sit on social media and doing those things. You behave as if you're crazy or you're mad. You don't even act in your age. At your age. That not look good. Jay, what we're gonna know? What we're gonna know? Put on the facade as like the Ants family them. So every week we have a session of tracing. Me don't know how to do this. Me don't know how to do it. Stop use my name, please. Me don't know how to do it. One me don't do. Sit down here and act like any them. So every week we have one facade. Every month we have one charade. And me don't know how to do this. Me and the baby father not gonna do it. Me and the mother not gonna do it. We're not gonna do it. And there's many more to action come up. When you gonna want to stream because they shame like dog, you can't even pull it. Pure laughter and mockery. Me say she go over a train line and one girl video. The first comment me say. Then she can't go be here. Me say it hurt my core, my toenail. I said, child power tap here. Come again, brother. Yeah. Care best, that is the best thing. It attack me at work pan now. To segregate myself from around them. So when the altar clap start and the bring down start, them and them peers and them twangs, what about them situation? Because what? My mom is not intellect. I mean intellectual, she can never read. So I straight use, you'll get used. You can't read. And it's not a diss, nor it's not a diss. It is just a blunt truth. She can't read. She'll be sitting at the phone screen, behaving uncivilized, and people are typing on them. She don't know what keep. She can't read. And when you can't read the basic, people's gonna always do stuff for you, you're gonna always get robbed. Always get robbed. Always gonna get robbed. Oh, send the gift them guys. Everything when you send come here, she gonna get it. Oh, you gonna get it. Cash now TikTok money is hard, so easy as all I think. Me not go long in really that. But how you get it? People know what I talk about no. Cause you have to have a PayPal. And when a page is new, you're not gonna get money. When a page is new, you're not gonna get more than $100 to cash out. The limitation will go up every month. When a page new, you get more than $100. When a cash have $100 for TikTok, you get $98. When a cash have $100 for TikTok, you get $98. When I send it to PayPal, PayPal are going to take $15 or $10 for instant cash out, mean same day. If it's sending your paper for 3 days, you might get the $98. So you might get the $90. But you gotta pay for instant cash out. So when you're done out of the $100, you're gonna get $75, $80. Or even $60. Cause overpaid phone you use, I gotta say, oh, me I charge my phone service. And whoever gonna catch up the money, I gotta charge for them service. So you want to sit up on platform and clone yourself. So people can laugh off of me and you for what? 8 grand, 10 grand? Chat focus. That nothing to do with me. I'm only referring to the ones that say me bad minor. And then me I refer to. And them love come, oh, you're bad minor. I don't know for what exactly. And June not give me nothing. I can't take up your mind, you. I can't take up your mind, you. What you want for happen, because people in your head, oh, she have money, oh, she make money. So I realize that is truth. I realize it's truth and peer pressure. If you all don't see it, I see it. 8.4K. I realize it's truth. And somebody pushing you to do this. And somebody in your ears. Because as I said before, I know her. And if she have her donkey ways. People have a push right now ears. And once you realize that now work out, you eventually stop. That is her. Some realize that people are pushing in your ears. Oh, how much money June I give you a week time for what? I work me come. I have to sit here for hours and hours and hours. Find something to talk about on my phone screen. Play too much. Sometimes not natural. I'm still sitting with the people at night time. Give them joke, give them laughter. But put in the work to become a successful. But put in the work to earn my spot in our workplace. Ever put in the work on the app? Queen of her business. That have nothing to do with me, boo. I don't care. I don't care. Them always have a saying, say, who all can you feel? That has nothing to do with me. You sit on people like what that to do to you. Why they can't create a page for you? Why they can't sit and create a page for you? So you can do your own live on your own page. No. You find live to live. When they're done, you can never set up in the school the next day. And me you want to refer to. And me you want to leech pan. And me you want to hang on pan. I'm on my talk now, no dung pan me. The whole I want to dung pan when they eat me. When they give me a break. Don't break me either, make me want to make me stronger. Because sometimes when you just love chat. When the people them don't use you and clown you out, and when the people them don't use you and clown you out, you can never buy a toilet paper. You want to use my toilet paper. You want to use my bathing soap. You still want to drink out of my cup. You still want to use my spoon. You still want to use my iron to pick the clothes. You want to use my iron board. You want to use my stove. You still want to wear my slippers. You still want me give you money. You still want me give my sister money. When you do all of these things, you still are going to reflect back on me. I forgive you. It doesn't look good. And that is the type of behavior you have from me young. That's why me cannot agree. You're talking about have manners. You don't respect yourself as a man. How the hell you going to think a child is going to respect you? You don't talk facts and right and lag it, no? Don't talk because when you eat me, talk because when you see what me I say. You don't respect yourself as a mother. You don't respect yourself. You come by your platform, you slung your whole a good reason with people. You slung and clown out yourself. What have you tried? Say the thanks. You don't sit and clown out yourself. The other day, they on Rosie page. Rosie get $30,000. I doubt she get $15,000 out of it. I get it. She get 50 diamonds. That could have buy a phone. And I doubt if she get $1. And somebody else me here you ask for a phone. So no see the heights of carelessness. She get diamonds, she get about $30,000 pan the page. Kayla, your mother get some with 5 bills. Poor taps here, chat. Sure. Let me leave them to them demise. Come can't bother. She get almost $40,000 on the page. I know the girl no look pay and get $10,000 now. All up to now, she don't look pay it's $10,000. The money when I go live on the page, money she get could have buy a phone. I would have she buy the phone instead of someone else. They don't care about you. They might build platform and take them time and run you. Because them say, yes, you're not collective upstairs and the money looks what if you use. Because only when you have something to say about me, then when if you click them live here and still over 1,000 odd people and everybody drop them sarcasm, I want to give nacho, you can't stay for long. Everything woman, me go help her do what exactly? You can't buy her a fan? You gonna help her do what exactly? How about you? You are so fascinated to help my mother. I look how long she live in a CV. Why now? I want to ask one of them questions here, you know. Because I want to talk about it so I can live and get over it. Look how long she live at CV and look how long you there at CV. Why now? What is the reason? I have a mission, don't it? You don't trick people, you can't trick me. Haters will always be haters. And I better like people. But the real one who like me will understand where I'm coming from. And you can't beat people who have good understanding. Look how long my mama there see you garden. Why I know? How I want to help her? Why the woman tab her in her eye? Wait. Wait, none of this. It's not this at all. I find it. I know this at all. Don't you gonna can't trick nobody else so? Cloud to now look and for building a page for sit down and beg. So I'm not gonna use she cause she not have collective upstairs. What day when the woman collect tabar in her eye? You never tell her run gas station. You never tell her I know she don't lock up the woman. Was tabar in her eye, I must blind her. Wait. Who remember this? I'm gonna take off the filter. Who remember this? Who remember this? When a woman stab her in her eye. Who remember this? What Rosie did there? What she did there? Who remember that? Who remember that? It's who give money for God actor. The same somebody want bury today. Don't it? She have a big bump on her neck. Yes, so. Who said I got actor? She tell me thanks about 50 million times. Because you know for tell me thanks, man. But good. Because I don't hate anybody. Don't have some ways where it's distasteful as human being. Let us talk about it. Because I'm ready for talk about Ray and Tay and Blay and she this and she beat her mama and she this and she that. Warm to the things that I do. I never do nothing yet. You behave like a parent, you get parenting treatment. You behave like a groupie, you get groupie treatment. You behave like a whore, you get whore treatment. Anyone who want to choose. For the females in here that don't think when they just chat because it don't reach on it yet. Be careful. Respect goes where they come from. And if you're a parent with kids and you're behaving like a jackass, that's the same way your kid's gonna treat you because you're behaving like a jackass. Go around. If you're behaving like a jackass, you're gonna get jackass behavior. I talk to the mothers here. Respect goes where it come from. The Bible says, parents, children, honor their mother. Honor thy mother and father that your days may be long on the earth. And the Bible make a replay and come back and say, parents, don't provoke your pitney to wrath. A lot of grown people have kids that might done some fuck up things on the thing. On a pitney not talk now. Years. Because when pitney grow and feel abandoned with love and care from a parent, they grow distance. There's no communication, there's no contact, there's no connection, there's nothing. It's like a shallow egg. It hollow as a drop it crack. So don't feel as if I always want to come beat because of me. Majority of we all go through the same stuff where our parents them cannot get along. Cause mother was gonna be as we grow, we feel this. We want put the word. As we grow, we feel distance. It's like a mother another year. I'm a mother the year. We feel resentment. Sometimes we go through some problem if we turn to stranger we don't even know. So them can automatically ball you out and tell you when cuss days. We can't trust people. We grow distant. We can't trust people because we have our own appearance. Enough people don't have a father and daughter relationship. I never had a father and daughter relationship. My father don't call me when he wants something. I'm going to talk on social media and vex. But he want to call me later when he wants something. Come here, plant money by the river. And spit. When I spit on it, it shall grow. I want to talk to him and say, give me money. Sometimes we want a hug. To say everything's going to be okay. We might not live in our best. We might not live in our best life, and someone we might not have the best attitude. But who am I to judge? I'm just Rosealee. Enough of we all can relate. Enough of we all can say, boy, me and my father, my father look upon him because we don't see eye to eye. Because for our growing up is a distance. And it's not that we hate our parents, it's that when we look some TLC when we're young, we never get it. And I always say to myself that the things that I never get from my mom when I was growing up, I want to give to my kids. I rather they grow to be ungrateful. But I rather say I tried. And if you know your child, it's yours. So if I know that my child don't have any manners, I try to comply how to speak to her, how to tell her to tone down, and tone down my tone as well. Because if you have a child and your tone is going to be like this, and she's grown, her tone is going to be like this. And it's always going to be like this and this and this and this. You tone, let her tone. You say something, she says something you don't even answer, you just walked away. For a peaceful life. She never tried to change it. And she's always like this. I believe in a point of time when she tell me, say me a cruff. So I don't know what you all and social media wants me to do. She told me when I was 29, I never forget. She said, you're a cruff. Where your pussy gear. You don't have shit. I say younger than you have things. I tell her, so my mother look at me and tell me, say me a cruff. It busts my heartstring. I get cold inside. I say, you should say you're a cruff. I'm going to tell myself, so who's going to believe in me when the one person in my life that's supposed to believe in me and keep me going resent me right there? And then she tell me, say me a cruff. Move your blood clot. You big on stink like. And on me make your shape so. And on me make your look so you're a cruff. I'm see younger than you have things. So when all of y'all sit on platforms and talk shit, put yourself in my shoes. You don't know nothing. You make you come out with puppy tears and I look pity party. She always class me big and stink. And she make me look so. When my pussy give me a cough. I see younger than you have blood clotting so you don't have nothing. I come if I come out here. I come if I come out here. She deal with me she deal with me away. Yep. Look at me. No! The same cruff your red eye. It's a pity. Father God just continue to bless me. Them say the stone that they build their refuge shall be the head cornerstone. Continue to God and protect me. Because you alone can judge me. That's what I listen to now. I'm alone judge me. Because I know what I've been through with she. And my granny grew me for me at 7 months old. She never take a partake in my life. She never take a partake in my life. None of our life. I'm going to come back and come do this again. But as I say it now, calm and this thing, she never take a partake in my life. In my childhood growing up. I have nights and days, hungry, resentment, longing for a hug, wanting to see my mother and father. I want person have my back from me at 13 to none of the Caan Crosburn. Who know him, who know the works. One person me have for me a picnic will always have my back. Always have my back. And I thought always for me a youth and my childhood friend. Nothing. Toto was my life and my salvation. Me never have nobody. Me never have no mama, me never have a papa. Father hate me like Pizer. I know him go and like say, yeah, cause me can't show my dollar give him. Like him tip me a eat them. I just give me because at the end of the day, them name parents. I thought look bad. And sometimes I can't take the talking. Oh, your daughter get look gift panty that shall make look money. I all live so you just give them a cause or you don't want them hungry. But I never see them when me a grow. My granny one and Toto. When people bring me down and clap. How am I even gonna do this? When people tell me I'm a shape bad and I'm a this and I'm a that. My friend alone have my back. May I tell you youth. My friend alone have my blood clot back. And make me know say, proud of yourself. And my friend push confident in me. From a young till now. So when some girl come on social media, oh, you're shit, but they decide that I don't even give two fuck. My childhood friend put confidence in me. Cause it's so okay to shit, but you know you make yourself. So I must see myself, come in a shape bad girl, you're gonna like a shape good way. Move. So him turn and mockery and laughter. So when a friend can sit down and turn a mockery because people are going to mock you. And it becomes a laughter. And him can say, alright, then comfortable with yourself. Make a friend say, your shape bad, what? And then you make yourself, girl, focus. We start with us, we turn it in a laughter. So me hear it again, it just come like nothing to me. If you don't get what me I say. So I'm going to use it and pick upon me growing up. I'm always grow defensive. Because I never see the mother when me I grow. So she over your attack. When me I grow, me not see her. No man don't know that. Oh, your mother. I'll tell you what a mother will do. Let her tell you about her mother. If all of y'all don't know, let her tell you about her mother. That's rum talk. But make me go tell about her mother. Parenting come with sacrifice. So the things that you don't have or you want. For instance, me here want come, my pick want a bacla feeding. Me not bother come here and the bacla feeding if you buy. For instance, you want one pair of shoes. And you pick one Pampers. Me not bother buy. Me not bother buy the Pampers. Me not bother buy the shoes. Me buy the Pampers. I tell you my mother is. She knows so you want to feed and the Pampers and she have the money. What she do? She buy one Lasco. And buy 3 Pampers because she have to get her shoes. That is her. So why I know a person and why we know a person thinks and operates and behave like I don't. My mama rather buy the shoes. And know so later on, she buy one Lasco and mix it and buy 3 Pampers. And every time you piss on the Pampers, she feel if it soak. And when the 3 Pampers done, she use nappy or pinanda. She use nappy or she use the receiver tie up underneath you. Because she have to wear her shoes. She have to wear her shoes. That is her. She don't care. She don't care. I regular me in them have to take up her when I tell me not get nothing. I regular me have to take up her own responsibility but she have. She don't care. Cause my mama did care. She see what pa gift throw. She tell Rosie what more something now no come go live. I'm see gift throw you know what how much money you make. Cause the money making thing, how much money you make. Me now go back live until me get something cause I see gift throw. I say thank you. I'm a sick gift. She don't care. And if you don't care about your kids, who's gonna? Yeah. Cause she look at me deep and they make me know say she now got the extra mile for no pitney. She do what she can. And from there till now, if I'm this so, if I'm right there and then, if I'm right there and then, the woman open my eye and the woman left a mark in my heart. If your mother look on you and make you know, so she not got the extra mile for pitney, she do what she can do. Reflection back for your life, I'm gonna make you know say. So all I'm struggling. Me never have a childhood, my birthday, Christmas, holidays, you are never there because you don't care. So anything I'm to you, I could even business because I'm telling you God woman I don't want to like you. Put me up for your man, my dear. And I 2 times she do it. 2 times she do it. The second time she put me up for your man, she lock the grill. I come here, come spend some time with her. I know she go on, you know when she will go on and face them and go on and disrespect you and do the things them. Cause she stay in class and angle like dog. I'm go out my mouth to her, the man lock the grill, lock the 2 gate them. Over my say yard me I stay. Them time that we have Tivoli encouragement. No bus no run. That's why sometime in my life when Jake's mama beg me give her. She a poison to you know. But me I gotta be real. Me not vex and talk back. And she beg me was still give her. Cause remember Tivoli encouragement. They might look for the most honorable. Dodos. Big up yourself, Father Cook. No tack, no bus, no when I run gun away. The man lock me blood clot out her house. I send a man alone over here. Lock me out. Them time the master live crossroad over there, so I say when I want water for beer, that if you look water, the man not give me no. I mean her daughter. She's serious. Cause the man lock me out and she's serious. Cause she did a rasta man look a bit and short and neat. So I call him sexerous. She lock me out for your man, me dear. Lock the grill every blood clotting for your man, me dear. Yup. No access. Not even water for bed. Yeah. When you look, more water for bed, you have to bigger. We get some water now. Can't go home. Me dey see you more and go me yard, I can't go home. No bus no run. It take me 3 days for go me yard. You see the day when bus start to run, me never forget. Master give me $75. I'ma jump on a bus and go my Ross yard. $75 the woman give me, never forget the day. Did I forget nothing? That's why sometimes when she beg me, give her it. She do my wicked things too, you know. But me remember that day that she put me up. Anything where she eat, me eat. And she give me $75 for go home. My mother never look pan blood clot me. Them eye just red. Cause me park the car at my gate. So me park the car at my gate to appear worries. How this I ragnate my phone?